Middle of the week, but it feels like play. Flip the shelf, wow, new toys today. What's new Wednesday? Turn the page, come see. Gijoe, wild schemes on your screen. Action figures, clothes, and GA customs in view. What's new Wednesday? All this new just for you.
Welcome to What's New Wednesday. This week we got another thing from Mark II Designs, and this one's been out here for a little while. Obviously, it is the sidecar for your Ram cycle. So we've got it in a couple different flavors, if you will. We've got the Army Green, which is the most popular one right now. But these things are super nice. Spinning wheel on them, removable rockets. This gray piece picks up so you can put bigger figures in there if you need to. But clicks right in, and then the top here goes on, or has a space to go on for the big Gatling gun that comes out of the little gun box, so to speak, that comes with any of your Ram cycles. So these things are super nice, 3D printed, of course, unpainted. The main ones on the website are going to be your Army Green, and then your all black, which goes really well with the Night Force Ram cycle, as you can see here. So these are super nice. Even though the black doesn't match the gray exactly, it fits right in with Night Force and pairs up really well. All the same features as the green one. Now, one of the things that is different and new this week, and this week only, is an exclusive order that you can do for the Tiger Force Ram cycle sidecar. This one is custom painted, airbrushed and everything like that. Will be detailed out a little bit from me, but those are on our site. They're slightly more than the other ones, obviously, because of putting the time in to custom paint them. But really nice vehicle, and those are just for sale this week. So I've got 1 week exclusive offer, and then those are going away until some future time. Not sure if they'll come back or when they'll come back if they do. But make sure to snag those. If you want one of those, snag those this week. Like I said, it's already Wednesday, so it started on Monday. It's only going to go through Sunday night, so make sure to snag them before they disappear. And then those will have a lead time of about a month or two to custom paint them in between all the other projects I have going on. But the Army Green and the black will be up there for the foreseeable future, as far as I'm aware. Again, these are all Mark II Designs files. So thanks to him for working with me. We've got a real nice program going on that him and I are working together on all his files. So expect to see some more in the future, but that is it. The Ram sidecar for this What's New Wednesday. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and pay attention to the site and social media for all the future exclusives.
Middle of the week, but it feels like play. Flip the shelf, wow, new toys today. What's new Wednesday? Turn the page, come see. Gijoe, wild schemes on your screen. Action figures, clothes, and GA customs in view. What's new Wednesday? All this new just for you.